All right, meteorologist Dean Davison from the Weather Pros, Live Weather Blogs, and Responding Fire News. We are going to discuss the really wet and flooding conditions we are going to have over the next few days. Let's take a look right now at the flood watch. It's throughout the whole entire area. You see these mountainous areas. Those are the areas near Charlottesville in the mountains that you may see some freezing rain tomorrow morning. Other than that, no freezing rain expected here in the Roanoke Valley. And you can see there's some warnings out here. This will continue likely to occur as we're going to have training of the rain, which means it's going to go over and over in the same spot. There's going to be some breaks, but not a whole lot. All right, let's take a look at what we're going to look for. Rainfall totals 1 to 2 inches in basically Roanoke in this area. Bedford County 1.5 to 3. Why do I say that? Because of the orographic lift. Same with Franklin. You get the orographic lift on the east side of the Blue Ridge, and that will increase the rainfall totals. We may have some mudslides and rock slides. Also, south side 1 to 3 inches. Weather Service has it out right between about 1 3/4 inches of rain. I expect it to be a little higher, as like I said, especially along the Blue Ridge Mountain than the Blue Ridge Parkway, and that is what we are looking for through Sunday at 7 a.m. So the fire forecast: rain heavy through Sunday a.m. Flooding is likely. Rock and mudslides are possible. So be very careful with that. Heavy intensity, heavy flooding rain expected. Readiness: I'd prepare now. Make sure that you're ready for power outages. We had a few here. A really rough time here where I'm located in Stewartsville, where we lost over 10 trees with the ice and storm this past weekend. After the 3.1 inches of snow, we had 0.4 inches of ice, close to 0.5. Actually, it went up to about a half inch after I went and measured just their stick. So that was a lot of ice. And it ends by Sunday a.m. So when this is the biggest thing right here. When flooded, turn around. Don't drown. We don't want you to get into flood waters. We don't want to have to come rescue you. And you don't know what's underneath that water. If there's actually a break in the ground, we don't know that. So be very careful on that and stay vigilant when you're traveling. Best thing is stay off the roads if you can. Meteorologist Dean Davison for the Weather Pros, Responding Fire News, and Live Weather Blogs. Have a great one. We'll talk to you again soon.